Dyacon control module can be configured in several different ways. One is using the LCD interface and 4 buttons on the unit itself. This is convenient for field installations and allows sensors to be changed in real time in the field without requiring a PC or computer. In the lab, it may be convenient to use a utility that allows for easy configuration of the devices as well as duplicating the settings from one unit to another. The control module utility on a PC can be used by plugging the computer directly from the USB port on the computer to the USB port on the control module. Unlike other data logger type systems, an RS-232 port and dongle and adapter is not required. With the device plugged in, simply press Read Module Configuration. The settings from the unit are loaded into the utility. We have the serial number, software version. The logging interval right now is set to 1 minute. We're going to change that to 15 minutes. The temp pressure humidity sensor can be configured here. We're going to change that to Celsius. Humidity, slope, and offset can be changed. And millibars will be selected for the pressure. Altitude can be set here for mean sea level compensation. In this case, we'll leave it at 1382 meters. Wind speed and direction will change to meters per second. The 2 analog ports can also be configured here. There are the pre-configured sensor settings of soil temperature, soil moisture, radiation. We can also select custom and input our own units and slope and offset. In this case, we'll leave it at soil temperature, which is a thermistor, and solar radiation we're going to change to soil moisture. The slope and offset and settings for each of these pre-configured sensors is already in place. If a different thermistor is used for soil temperature, then the parameters for the coefficients for the Steinhart-Hart equation can be entered here. Rain gauge, we'll turn the rain gauge to millimeters and set it to 1 millimeter. The weather underground can be turned on and off in this tab with the station ID password entered in these fields. With that complete, we can write those configuration changes back to the unit itself. We can also save that configuration file for later use.